Hello guys, today I am going to show you the basics of a turtle if you are wondering whether what my code means. Because my code may be actually very difficult to understand. And so I'm not going to be using Sublime Text to do this because it is because it it requires lots of open it and close it, which is very annoying. So I am not using Sublime Text. I'm not using some because not import, pair basically because this. So this is why I'm going to use idle. Don't want this. This is why I'm going to be using idle because it's here I am going to show you the basics of it. So the settings of a turtle, how to move it, that wasn't a function, and not and and not left 90 and not right. See, and not forward. And you can mess with these functions as much as you want. And you can change the color of them as well. So they're basically self-explanatory, and this is a very simple bit of it. Red, pen not for now it's red. This is settings. 400. Slow mo. Pen dot left. 300. Actually, that's slow. Pen dot. Actually, fast. Anything larger than 10 or pen dot forward 100 as fast as that. And zero. And you could, and if you don't need to take any positional arguments for the current speed, you could just do that. Pen dot shape. Classic. No. Triangle. Pen dot shape. Turtle. Actually. I can't think of any. If it doesn't work, I can't do anything about it. Rec- rectangle. Actually, if you want to make a rectangle, you'll have to do pen dot shape square and pen dot shape size. Stretch width is 2. Actually, pen dot left pen dot go to pen dot circle. Actually, 100 and actually pen dot left one and and I'm actually going to and I'm actually going to do and I actually go to do the redo the first bits of Python 5 shape series using idle with these pen dot clear. Oh, I've done nothing of that. Dot clear. So right. So it's at the default position. Pen dot 221 dot stretch width equals 2. Actually, not 2. 1. Backtish dot shape classic. There's actually more functions. Pen dot width 1 again. Pen dot color black. Actually, pen dot pen color black. So you could do it for 100 times. So I plus 1 pen dot left 1. And and that's how you do the that's how you do that's how you do a snail shell, which is what I did for Python Farming Shapes Part 1. So for I range 1, so pair dot speed 0, pair for I range 100, pair dot circle, actually clear. Ha 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 ha. Funny. Not funny actually, for I pair dot clear, pair dot pair dot pair dot set heading 0. pen dot pen dot uh so color equals red, orange. Actually, no, red, orange, yeah, yellow, green, blue, in, indigo, violet. So for Iron Rage 100, so pen dot color, pen dot color, I said 7. So actually pen dot circle 100, not 100, I plus 1, pen dot 1000. I'm sure the speed is 0 actually. Yep, pen speed 0. Pen dot circle I plus 1. Pen dot left 1. And that's how you do the extremely slow rainbow snail shell using basic Python turtle. And it's actually very easy because it's just a matter of uh, for the last video I think I did it at 360, but this time I did it at 1000. So it looks like it will take some time before this finishes. So you should be able to know all of the Python Turtle basics and the moves of this by now. The last bit of this is a circle bit, actually. This takes it very long, so I'm probably going to have to cut it. Unfortunately, that will have to wait. So I'm not sure what I should be doing now. That will take very long. It's probably already at its 400th circle, and it will probably take even longer than that. So you should be able to do all of this now. So you should be able to know all of the movements, basic movements, and how to change the color of this. And you can actually how to change the color of this. These are the settings. So the next bit is actually to do the drawing cool stuff with it. But because this is so basic, I've actually put this first. This is cool stuff. And it actually so the next bit should have been drawing cool stuff. But this actually is drawing cool stuff but this time I've put that into one of the cool stuff that you could draw into the first bits. Next time it should be easy. Next time I am going to show how to do some fill and do the how to fill the circles and how to play around with that even better. So it should be at its second round now, and it's taken very slow. I could do some other stuff in the meantime, but I think you could just skip this part of this video if you don't want to watch this. And it looks like, and I used percent and for loops basically. This is this is probably quite easy. The harder stuff is filling it and doing cool stuff and playing around with sines and cosines and tangents. What That's the next bit of it. Play around with sine, cosine, and tangent, which is actually very secondary school, and it's very and it's and it could be hard. Sorry about the snail shell taking too long, which doesn't even look like a snail shell anymore. Too long, too long, too long. And this will not stop. And it looks like I'll have to deal with it. And actually, there's even more functions to this circle bit, in which I'm probably not even going to do in this video. However, this is it. Uh, it's over. The video is over once the snail shell has finished. And thanks for 42 subscribers. Actually, who? Thanks for 42 subscribers. Actually, and and we and please subscribe. Like like quickly be the 43rd subscriber. And if be the 43rd or 44th, we the target is 47 subscribers by the end of by by the end of January, which is probably which could probably be easy. So I am actually going to say instead 50 subscribers by the end of January. Okay? And 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 I would say happy new month at at February, given it's already a happy new year. A week from the start of a week? Yep, a week. So a week and 12 hours in from the start of a week and 12 hours in the UTC time zone from the start of 2022 and 21 minutes, soon to be 22, while I wait for this to finish, which is very boring in fact. So I'm probably not even going to bother doing any more of this video. And and please help me get 50 subscribers by the end of January for for a for a 50 subscribers special. It's actually complete now. For a 50 subscriber special, I will do some I will do a surprise, which I hope you will find will be very cool. So goodbye and happy new year, I guess.